Body. It's supposed to be a
what's nice in here? I like the setting. Happy hour. VSU?
VSU.
Yeah, he did his thing. This is a strawberry spritz, I think. So this is Babe's drink. It's like a pink lemonade. It's really good. Yeah, she just came and put it down. No, this is not for you. It's very fresh. It smells like a garden because it's a fresh strawberry. This is the bacon burger. That looks good. Jamaican, Cajun, chicken and shrimp, plantain, brown rice, black bean. This thing got a whole plate of salmon that we're gonna put on a little plate. All right, that's everything. Look at the juicy plantain then. Yup. Oh man, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know if that's the first time having ketchup on anything, but...
So this is what I've been missing all these years? I was supposed to miss it because I was supposed to be here with you. It's good? You like it? Let mommy know. Your mom would like this drink. For sure. You know what I said? It's fresh, it's very mojito-y. Right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, you liked it?
Cheesecake Factory bags and my
Bomb.
bags.
Cheesecake Factory bags for mine parlay of the Burger King bags. You heard it here first.
Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know.
Yeah.
You know.
Hey, mommy. You made me a mommy today. Well, not today, but you know. Yeah, the reason why I can celebrate today. Oh, mommy, look at that. Avocado on the side. Look at that burrito.
Real shrimp pouring out, pica de gallo.
See, but this is what I like with mine. You know what I'm saying? And the avocados for me. So. All right, you ready for some Mexican? Ooh, wow, big girl. Restaurant, our local Mexican restaurant for Mother's Day, and they brought out these drinks. So this is Blue Hawaiian, and Pearlie just said, "We won't be going home with these drinks. Can we take these cups to go?" It's hard. It's hard. Y'all hear what he's saying? Listen. It's good to me though. I mean, it's good, but it's good, but it's a hard like alcoholic drink. It's like we about to get. I can already feel it. He ate that whole burrito, y'all. I'm not going because I'm really kind of off today, so I'm really not vlogging. But I just had to do that. Right? If we would have, yeah, because we didn't get our drinks at first. So if we would have had our drinks first, and then the food, because he had like a big ass burrito. I mean, the burrito's still gonna suck it up, but when you're first ingesting it, you can feel it, right? Yeah. It's really good though. It's thick. It's almost like borderline creamy.
You think I was taking the first pull since Zah?
And when the drinks came down, Stinky goes, "Yummy." I'm like, nope, not for you. Thank you guys for taking me out.